Hello guys, hope you're doing well. Alright, so in this video, I'll be showing you how you can get a domain name for free, and not just free for a year, it's free for lifetime. So make sure you don't skip this video and make sure you watch till the end. Now, go to this website on my screen, I'll leave the link in the description, or you can check the pinned comment. Now, the first thing you need to do is sign up by entering your username, email address, and so on. Once you're done with the registration and you've verified your Gmail address, head back to the login page of the website by entering the website URL again. Now sign in with your Gmail account and password. Here you'll need to verify your domain KYC, which can be done by connecting your GitHub account in case you don't have a GitHub account. I'll leave GitHub website link in the description. You can just register a new account or sign in if you have an account already. Once you're done with the sign in on GitHub, head back to the domain KYC page to connect the website to your GitHub account. Alright, so have connected my GitHub account, and as you can see, here is what the dashboard of the page looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to get a free domain name for your website, so keep watching. Please, make sure you don't skip this part. On this list we have 4 different domains to choose from, but you see these 2 domains, .us, .kg, and .xx.kg requires you to have a domain key. This key costs about $3 on this website, but will be free forever after purchase. But the other 2 is still completely free as at the time of this video, so make your choice. Alright, so once you're done choosing a domain name and you click on the Check Availability button, you'll be redirected to this page on the screen. As you can see, there is my domain, and also for the price, you can see where it's written, always free, with a default period registration of 1 year. And for the renewal, you'll get a free renewal if the domain still has less than 180 days before its expiry date. So, I guess you'll have to check the domain after 5 months and renew it for another year. Keep repeating the process, and it will be free for a lifetime. And also on this page is where you'll enter your hosting name server. Since this is just a tutorial video, I'm just going to use N1 and N2 for the name server. Please make sure you enter the hosting company name server you're using. After you've entered the hosting name server, You can then go ahead and click on the register button below to register the domain name. The domain name has been registered, and it can take 12 to 24 hours for the domain to be fully resolved globally. But then, you can go ahead and connect this domain to your hosting. With this domain, you can create any type of website you want by using WordPress, or if you don't have a hosting plan. You can also connect this domain to your Blogger website. In my next video, I'll show you guys how to connect this domain to a Blogger website, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications button, and I hope you also like this video. Thanks for watching.